Amazon made over $43 billion last year just from third-party sellers. Not Amazon itself, regular people selling through Amazon's platform. And in 2026, AI has made it possible to start an Amazon business without inventory, without a warehouse, and without years of experience. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make real money on Amazon using AI. Let's go. Number 1. Amazon KDP with AI written books. Use ChatGPT to write low-content books, journals, planners, puzzle books, or full-length ebooks on topics you understand. Publish free through Kindle Direct Publishing. No inventory, no shipping. A single well-optimized book earning $2 to $5 per sale can generate $200 to $1,000 per month passively once you have a few titles live. Number 2. AI-generated merch on Amazon. Use Midjourney to design unique graphics. Upload to Merch by Amazon. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn royalties on every sale. Top sellers with dozens of designs make $500 to $3,000 per month with zero ongoing work per design. Number 3. AI-optimized product listings for FBA sellers. If you already sell physical products, use ChatGPT to write higher-converting titles, bullet points, and descriptions. Better listings mean better rankings and more sales. This is a real paid service too. Sellers pay $100 to $500 per listing rewrite. Number 4. Amazon Influencer Program with AI content. Create short video content using AI tools recommending products you actually use. Earn commission through Amazon's affiliate and influencer programs. AI helps you script, edit, and post consistently without burning hours each day. Number 5. AI-powered Amazon ads. Management. Businesses pay freelancers $300 to $1,000 per month to optimize their Amazon PPC campaigns. Use AI tools to analyze keyword performance and suggest bid adjustments, a skill you can learn and offer as a service within weeks. Amazon isn't just for big companies anymore. AI has opened the door for individuals to build real income streams through publishing, merch, listings, content, and ads. Which one are you going to try first? Subscribe to TechMind Daily for more real AI money strategies every week.